Space stations have been a part of our dreams since the dawn of space exploration. But with upcoming ideas and technologies, they are becoming more and more realistic. In this video, I will give a general overview of space stations and what we can expect in the future. The International Space Station, which is currently in orbit around the Earth, is one of the more recent examples of what a station could become. But this space station is getting old and will become outdated soon. More recent developments are coming from the Chinese space agencies. They recently got their space station into orbit and they are planning to scale this space station with more units to come in future rocket launches. The ISS is very old and will need replacement in the coming years. When you compare the Chinese space station with the ISS, you will notice that the tech and equipment used has become much better. In the near future, space stations will no longer be limited to large metal structures orbiting around Earth. We are now looking at inflatable units that can be deployed in orbit, making it easier to move a lot of components into space at once. There are also ideas to create artificial gravity to make space stations more comfortable for humans. Artificial gravity can be promising and people are testing the idea with big rotating space stations that should come in the future. Artificial gravity will prevent a lot of issues that come with zero gravity. We are also exploring the idea of using 3D printing technology to create structures in space, allowing us to build custom-made space stations for specific purposes. When we find a way to do this, we could basically build any kind of structure in space, and we could build endlessly big. As last subject, I also want to tell you about orbital assembly. This means building a station in orbit. Doing this requires autonomous assembly, and we would send the materials up in orbit to get built in space. This could make it easier to build large structures in space. These upcoming ideas for space stations bring us closer to realizing our dreams of long-term human habitation in outer space. With their promise of comfort and efficiency, these most promising space stations may revolutionize our exploration efforts beyond Earth's atmosphere. Do you think we managed to get a new type of space station, or will we stick to older trusted methods? Tell me what you think in the comments. If you like this video, give it a like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.